Hello everyone, how are you? I am MD Akim Noor, the founder of Animaster 3D and VFX Studio. So I have been creating tutorials in Bangla, but so those who are native with Bangla, you can click the I button on the video, and also you can check out my playlist, and there you will get the tutorials in Bangla. But those who are new to my channel and who are comfortable with English, I will suggest you to go with English. Okay, so today we will see a very short tutorial, short animation tutorial that I have been creating for some days. I have been trying to create the fundamentals of animation on Blender. So you can either check my playlist, or you can just go with this video. So today the rig that we will be using, this rig is that we have downloaded from Blender Cloud. You will just have to go to blendercloud.com, and then you will have to search fundamental rigs for Blender. So in that blend file you will get four rigs. One will be ball tail, the second one will be ball, third will be ball chain, and the fourth one will be a human metric. So today we'll be using ball tail for our animation. So here you can see I have already placed the ball tail in my scene, and okay, so now you can see that when my rig testing is done, then what I will do, you can already see that the basic bone of this rig I have already keyed those parts, like it when it's staying on the ground, when it will be on the sky, and now I'm just sharpening out the tail part animation. Okay, so the here the most important animation fundamental is all about the tail. So when we'll see that the ball tail is jumping, the tail will be like when you see that it's jumping up, when it's going up, then you will see that the tail is still trying to stay on the ground. So the tail will be pointing downward, and when the ball tail will be at the higher part of the highest part of the jump, then you will see the tail is still pointing downward. But when the ball tail will be coming down, then the tail of it will be pointing upward. So it's like basic body mechanics that we see when we throw something towards the sky. The first part that goes up, that first part also comes first, but when the last part that just goes on the last when we throw something, that also come to the, I mean, that also hit the ground last. So it's all about your imaginations, and you know it, right? So here we can see that we already have blocked the animations for the tail till it's hitting the ground. So we see when it's hitting the ground, his tail will also still be pointing upward, and when the ball has already hit the ground, then the tail will come down. Okay, so we can see, okay, the ball is hitting, now come down, you have your job done. So okay, so I am just increasing the frame just to match the animation, because I know that the tail will be having a small part of animation after the ball has landed. After the ball has hit the ground, we can see still some small movement of the tail. So that's why they have added the tail. Okay, otherwise you could just move the ball with the tail, but here you can see the tail has a very important part in this animation. That's why they have made this ball tail rig. Okay, so we all will try to create some other fundamental animations with this ball tail, so our animation will be more refined and more accurate. I know some of you are just trying it out for the first time, but I know when you will try it out many times like me, then your animation will also be like smooth and soothing like me. So for today, this was the part. I hope you all enjoyed the animation that we created today. If you have any queries, like I know there are some guys who are new to Blender, so if you have any problem, you can just catch me up in the comment section, or I have a Patreon, so you can just join me on the Patreon. Also, I have Facebook page, I have Insta, so you can just text there and ask your questions, and I will try my best to answer all your questions. Thank you everyone. Bye bye.